In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut template unstable network error quickly and easily. If you've been trying to open a template in CapCut and keep getting that annoying unstable network message, don't worry, you're not alone. This is usually caused by a weak connection, a login issue, a VPN conflict, or simply an outdated version of the app. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. And before we get into the steps, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. A lot of times, this error has nothing to do with CapCut itself and everything to do with your network. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick speed test to see if your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, disconnecting, or showing very poor results, that could be the reason the template is not loading properly. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your router and try again. Once you know your connection is working properly, the next step is to close CapCut completely and reopen it. Don't just minimize the app. Make sure it is fully closed in the background, then launch it again. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the unstable network message. Sometimes CapCut just needs a fresh restart to reconnect properly. After that, make sure you are signed into your CapCut account. Some templates and online features require an active account login, and if you're signed out, certain content may not load correctly. Open CapCut, check your profile or account section, and confirm that you're logged in with the correct account. If you are not signed in, log in and then try opening the template again. If the issue still continues, the next thing to do is turn off any VPN or proxy server. VPNs can sometimes interfere with CapCut's network connection and make the app think your internet is unstable, even when it's actually working fine. So if you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely and test the template again. The same goes for any proxy settings you may be using. Many users fix this problem immediately just by turning off the VPN. Now, if none of that works, update CapCut to the latest version. An outdated version of the app can cause bugs, loading issues, and connection errors with templates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut, and see if an update is available. If there is, install it right away. After updating, open CapCut again and try the template one more time. In many cases, that solves the unstable network issue completely. So to recap, the best ways to fix CapCut template unstable network are checking your internet speed, restarting the app, signing into your CapCut account, turning off VPN or proxy services, and updating CapCut to the newest version. Try these steps one by one, and one of them should get your templates working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.